Hi, it's Kasia, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how I did these big pretty waves using my Mermade Pro Waver in the color pink. This is the box that it came in, and this is what it looks like. It's super big. So it has like a little thing right here. When you plug it in, it says off, and then you press the on button, and then you go up or down on a temperature. I did do this on 410, which is the highest temperature that it goes up to. It's super pretty though. Also it came with a glove that you can use. I didn't use the glove because I'm a gremlin. Yeah, so, and it comes with a little pamphlet. Just, you know, everything that you need to know, different languages, whatever. So yeah, I absolutely love the way that it came out. It looks super flawless. And let's go ahead and get into this tutorial, but make sure you all click the link down below to check out the waver. Okay, y'all, so I did go ahead and part out the hair. I did 2 sections in the front and 2 sections in the back. So I'm basically working around the head in like a circle. So I'm starting with the front piece, and I parted out a section. I'm spraying it down with some spritz. I was using my Fantasia spritz at first, but then I started to use my olive oil spritz towards the end. So I'm just combing the product through, and then I'm placing the waver on my hair. This is my first time hearing it being called a waver. I normally call it a crimp iron, but you know, to each his own. So I'm putting a crimp iron on, and then when I take it off, I'm moving it down, and I'm matching up the prongs to make sure that the waves are continuous, and then I'm going down and matching up the next prong and just working my way all the way down into the ends of the hair. It's pretty simple. The only thing is it is a little bit tedious and time consuming, so make sure you have a little bit of time to dedicate to it. It's worth it though. It is worth it because it comes out super cute. Also, I did blow dry my wig a little bit to knock some of the natural wave out of the wig, but if you want to, you can run through it roughly with like a flat iron to get it like straighter before you put the waves in it. You always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day. So I'm pretty much just gonna be fast forwarding it through some of the wig, and then I'm gonna slow it down again a little bit later so that you all can see how to crimp a little bit better. It's pretty simple though, but I am gonna slow it down again, and then y'all will get to see like the ending result. So right here is where I'm gonna be slowing it down again so that you all can see some more. So at this point, I am using the olive oil spritz. I'm spraying it. I moved the wig stand back a little bit further so that you all can have a better view. So you spray it down, you comb the hair through, and then you put the waver on. And at this point, I was going a little bit faster only because the iron had been on for a while, so it was much hotter, so the curls were taking better, and the olive oil spritz was a little bit stronger. But don't be afraid. I know you probably see that the crimps look stiff, but once I finger comb through, it softens up the spritz. The spritz it's only hard when you first put the heat on there. Once you finger comb it through, it gets back soft. Your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. way. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just want you.
Okay, so at this point I'm pretty much through, and I'm just gonna be going through and finger combing the waves. Now, you don't have to do this, but I think it gives it more of a flawless, like loose wave kind of look. So that's what I did, and then I'm going to style my hair and put my wig on in another video, which is my previous video, so check that out if you would like. And then I'm going to show y'all the final results of how it looks on my head after this.
You always make me feel like yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Just can't stop thinking about you.
Okay, so these are the final results. I hope you all enjoyed the tutorial. Thanks for watching. Make sure you all like and subscribe. See y'all next time. Bye.